Hey everybody, I'm super excited. It's Alicia Stearman, and I wanted to explain to you guys today whether it makes sense or not, or how to calculate if it makes sense to pay points or buy your rate down, as people call it, when you're getting a mortgage. So I'm going to use an example of a $600,000 purchase. Right now, the market's been crazy, and so that's probably an average of what people are paying out there. So on a $600,000 purchase, with 20% down, to keep it easy, your loan amount would be $480,000. Okay, $480,000 is the amount you would borrow. And on a 30-year fixed at 3.99, your payment would run $2,289. Okay? If you paid points, and just to clarify what a point is, 1 point represents 1% of your loan amount. I don't know why they came up with a separate word for it, but it's pretty funny. So 1 point is 1% of your loan amount. So if the bank, as an example, wanted to charge you 2% to buy your rate down 1%, it would take that $2,289 payment and drop it to $2,021 a month at 2.99. So 1% savings, if you just keep it simple, 1% of 480,000 is 4,800 a year in interest savings. Okay. So to figure out if that makes sense, we would take the upfront cost, which 2% of a loan amount of 480,000 is a cost of $9,600. So if the cost is $9,600, you would divide that by the monthly savings of $268, and it would take 35 months to break even. So 35 months divided by 12 is 2.9 years. So normally the test I do is, hey, if the money for the rate and the cost of the loan is recouped within 3 years, it normally can make sense because the average person tends to do something every 3 to 5 years. But if we're getting you these low rates and you keep this loan forever, at $268 a month savings over the remaining 27 years, which is 324 months, you would save $86,000 over the life of the loan. So that's huge, $86,000 over the life of the loan. Because we have access to rates in the twos right now, these are loans that we're going to be pretty discouraged from touching later on. It's not going to be like, oh, hey, let's just refinance like the old days. Now we're going to want to savor that and keep a hold of these 2% interest rates. So I encourage you, if you're going long term, anything past 3 years, yes, ask your loan officer or reach out to me and find out if you spend a little bit, how low can you really get? So that you can benefit long term. All right, well, hopefully that information was helpful. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye-bye.